Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to enable Gemini Live. First, open the Gemini app on your mobile device. It's important to make sure your app is fully updated to the latest version for all features. Once open, navigate to the Settings menu, usually found by tapping your profile picture or an icon at the top of the screen. Within the Settings menu, look for an option labeled Gemini's Voice or simply Live. Tap on this to access the specific settings for Gemini Live. Here, you might need to review and grant certain permissions, like microphone access, which is essential for the feature to function correctly. To activate Gemini Live, you will typically find a toggle switch. Move this switch to the on position. You may be prompted to confirm terms of service or data usage, so read and accept those. Once enabled, Gemini Live allows for real-time, natural conversations, adapting to your speaking style. After activating, return to the main Gemini interface. You'll usually see a waveform or microphone icon, often in the bottom right corner. Tap this icon to start a live session. Now you can speak naturally, just like you're having a conversation, and Gemini will respond in real time, even allowing interruptions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.